How to change install location in Google Play Games on PC in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can move where your games install so you can save space and stay organized right away. Start by opening Google Play Games on your computer and signing in if needed. Once inside, look for the profile or menu icon and open Settings. In the Settings section, find the Storage or Install Location option. This is where the app decides where new games are saved. Choose the option to change location, then select the drive or folder you want to use. Pick a place with enough space, confirm the selection, and save the changes. From this point on, new games will install in that new location automatically. If games were already installed before the change, they usually stay in the original folder. To move them, uninstall the game first, then install it again after setting the new location. This ensures it downloads directly to the correct drive. If the option to change location does not appear, check if the app needs an update. Updating Google Play Games can unlock storage settings and improve performance. Restarting the app after updating can also help the new location apply properly. Make sure the selected drive stays connected and has enough space. If the drive is removed or becomes full, downloads may fail or return to the default location. Changing the install location helps keeps your main drive from filling up and makes it easier to manage large games. Once the new path is saved and you install your next game, it will go straight to the location you selected without needing to repeat the steps.